California Assembly passes BitLicense Bill. The Digital Financial Assets Law, which is similar to New York's BitLicense, has been criticized by industry stakeholders. California Governor Gavin Newsom is set to sign a recently passed bill that would require digital asset exchanges and other crypto companies to obtain a license to operate in the state. The Digital Financial Assets Law, dubbed California's BitLicense, takes after New York's BitLicense regulation, which came into effect in 2015. California's law, if signed by Newsom, a Democrat, would go into effect in January 2025. While the newness of cryptocurrency is part of what makes investing exciting, it also makes it riskier for consumers because cryptocurrency businesses are not adequately regulated and do not have to follow many of the same rules that apply to everyone else. Assemblymember Timothy Grayson, D. Concord, the bill's sponsor, said in a prior statement. Among the requirements is a prohibition, which would come into effect in 2028, on California licensed entities dealing with stablecoins, unless that stablecoin is issued by a bank. This is similar to a proposed, and never passed, bill in the U.S. Congress that would require stablecoin issuers to have a bank charter. The Blockchain Association, an industry trade group, tweeted that the bill would create short-sighted and unhelpful restrictions that would impede crypto innovators' ability to operate and push many out of the state. This is the second attempt California has made to create a BitLicense regime. The first, in 2015, failed, and was made dormant after opposition from a state senator. Newsom has until. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.